Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video from No Filter Vlogs. And just a small disclaimer before we start the video. My voice is really in a bad condition, but क्या कर सकते हैं, मैं ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा डिले कर चुकी थी already because of my throat, but अभी I can manage speaking for a little while. So yeah, bear with the voice for now. Coming back to the video, so I'm making a get ready with me after I think 5 years on my channel. Last get ready with me जो मैंने बनाई थी, that was in 2019 या 2020. Diwali get ready with me. I still remember. I got ready. रात को 2 बजे मैंने वो वीडियो बनाया है, get ready with me, just one night before Diwali, and I've uploaded it in the morning. And yeah, it was a really nice look. But now when I look back, of course it wasn't. But ठीक है, तब के लिए it was a really nice look. I wore all the lehenga and everything. So yeah, I think I want to relive those moments and make another get ready with me this time. So I've gotten this parcel from okay, so I've gotten this parcel from Swiss Beauty. I hope you can see it. So I've gotten a lot of things from Swiss Beauty this time for makeup. Swiss Beauty के साथ, to be very honest, मेरा पहला experience कुछ उतना अच्छा नहीं था, because long time back I bought a few products from Swiss Beauty and giving you a genuine review, मुझे वो उतना up to the mark नहीं लगा था. I just thought it's a little cheap quality and it's not very great. But this time, oh my god, Swiss Beauty has amazed me, and I've gotten a lot of stuff from Swiss Beauty, a lot of lipsticks, highlighter, blush, a lot of stuff. So I think we're going to get ready with me with everything I bought from Swiss Beauty. Just I'll be using my regular foundation because that's what I didn't experimented with this time, because Swiss Beauty के साथ, as I told you, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस पहले वाला अच्छा नहीं था, तो इसीलिए मैंने कुछ चीजें ऑर्डर की हैं. बट फिलहाल फाउंडेशन वाला जान और जिगर मेरे में आया नहीं था कि मैं सीधा फाउंडेशन थोप दूं स्विस ब्यूटी का. सो दैट्स नॉट दैट, बट यस, वी आर गोइंग टू गेट रेडी विद मी with the products that I bought from Swiss Beauty today, and let's see how the look turns out to be. Alright? Apparently I totally forgot about it, that I do have this primer mousse foundation, Weightless Smooth and Velvet Touch by Swiss Beauty, and this was supposed to be a free gift, so we'll be using the free gift for our base. अभी जब भी इतना रिस्क ले ही रहे स्किन के साथ, ठीक है, तो because I've tried इसका product, I swatched the lipstick and I've tried the blush also. एक बार swatch करके, the products really look like the quality have definitely increased and it has gotten better. Even the packaging, oh my god, they've come up with some really nice packaging and it does not look cheap anymore. And yes, we're going to give credits for that. Alright, so this is how the product looks, and I'm going to start off with this फाउंडेशन. मुझे ये भी नहीं पता ये मेरे स्किन टोन से मैच करेगा कि नहीं करेगा. ओ माई गॉड, इट्स वेरी लिक्विडी. कैन यू गाइस सी? इट्स वेरी लिक्विडी. ओके, नो आइडिया व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, बट यस, वी आर डूइंग समथिंग हियर. नेवर माइंड. ऑलराइट, हियर गोज नथिंग. I'm going to use very less quantity of this because I'm getting a lot of breakouts, as you can see already. So whenever I stress out about something, I get breakouts. So yes, I'm getting a lot of breakouts nowadays. So अभी मेरे को risk नहीं लेना है मेरे face के साथ ज़्यादा. Alright, I really can't see because मेरे सामने mirror तो नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ, फोन में जितना दिख रहा है वैसा कर लेते हैं. क्या कर सकते हैं अभी, क्या कर सकते हैं. Alright, I think from what I can see in the camera, तो यार इतना भी फोकस नहीं होना चाहिए. From what I can see in the camera is that it's definitely not my skin ka match. It's definitely a little lighter than what I use. I started using a little lighter. Sorry. So I think we all would agree, जब भी मेकअप करना स्टार्ट करते हैं, then we go for a lot of lighter shades for concealer, foundation, and it definitely does not look very nice and natural. And during this 4-5 years since I've started doing makeup a little more frequently than I used to, I think this is the one thing that I changed. I don't use light foundations anymore, but I don't think this is looking too bad also. I mean, look at this and this. Not that bad, right? Doable. दो मैंने क्वांटिटी भी बहुत कम लिया था, सो of course it is not a very full coverage foundation. And what would you expect in इसका price? The price is also not too much. I don't remember the exact price, मैं कहीं screen पे डाल दूंगी, but हाँ इसके price के हिसाब से if you want a everyday light BB cream sort of finish, I think this is a good one. Okay, and it blends also very easily. I didn't have to look into the mirror at all. Impressed? Swiss Beauty? Impressed. Alright, so I am going to go ahead with the Swiss Beauty blush. No, sorry. I'm going to go ahead with एक fumble तो बनता है ना हर वीडियो में. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead with Swiss Beauty Cheek It Up blush with jojoba complex. This is how it This is how it looks. Okay, I'm going to use this one because again I'm going to use Swiss Beauty highlight. Okay, this is a little twink. A little tongue twister. Okay, Swiss Beauty highlight it up. है ना थोड़ा weird है ना? But हाँ, we're going to use this. This is how it looks. Again, this is I think a range that they have recently launched, and I would want to try this first. I do have another blush from Swiss Beauty because I went all crazy. अभी अगर सेल चल ही रहा है तो why not? है ना वैसा टाइप्स. Alright, so yes. अभी मेरे को पूरा फुल फेस मेकअप करने के लिए वही प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करने हैं जो स्विस ब्यूटी से आए हैं. सो यस, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टिक विद सम बेसिक्स. आई हैव डन माय फाउंडेशन. आई डोंट हैव माय कॉम्पैक्ट और यू नो एनी पाउडर टू सेट इट अप, एंड आई ऑल्सो डोंट हैव अ कंसीलर फ्रॉम स्विस ब्यूटी. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू अ जुगाड़ू मेकअप. ओके, एंड यस, वी आर गोइंग टू ट्राई दिस. This looks very pretty. Okay, they've definitely worked on their packaging, to be very honest, because as I told you last time, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं था. Okay. I don't know whether ये मैं blend कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं कर पाऊंगी, but ठीक है. I've taken a considerable amount. Do I see a difference? I don't know. I think I want to go again with the blush because I think this is not enough. So yes, but I just wanted to check कि कितना blend हो रहा है first. Not bad, yeah. Really not bad. Nice. I'm sort of impressed because, see, to be very honest, they have very cute and compact packaging for this again. So if you can see, this is the packaging. It is very cute packaging, and it's very easy to use. Like when you're traveling, कहीं बाहर जा रहे हो, पर्स में रखना easy है, use करना easy है. So I think I'll give them the points for that. Okay, and this time we're going to put a little bit on the nose. Yes. Alright. जब तक मैं मेकअप में एक चीज गुफ अप ना कर लूँ ना, मतलब मुझे लगता है मेरा मेकअप कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है. आज मैंने मेकअप किया ही नहीं है अगर मैंने गुफ अप नहीं किया तो. समझ रहे हो. I like it. This is looking nice. पता नहीं मैं ही ऐसी हूँ कि जब तक मेरा लिपस्टिक एंड लाइनर नहीं लग जाता है ना, तब तक आई फील कि मेरा मेकअप कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है. ऐसा होता है क्या? सबके साथ होता है, मेरे साथ हो रहा है. Don't break. Okay. मुझे नहीं पता ये असली में कैसा लग रहा है बिकॉज जेन्युइनली मैंने मिरर नहीं देखा है. इट माइट बी दैट आई एम लुकिंग लाइक अ जोकर अभी इन द मिरर, बट एटलीस्ट कैमरे में जो दिख रहा है मैं उस हिसाब से मेकअप कर रही हूँ. Okay. It's like nice. Okay, blush or highlighter as their eyeshadow. I think I'm going to use the highlighter as my eyeshadow and try it. Oh, glittery eyes wala ek look. Okay, so I'm going to use Swiss Beauty Highlight It Up highlighter. That's this one as I've already shown you. But ठीक है. बाद एक बार और दिखा सकते हो ना आकांक्षा. So yes, the shade that I'm using is Golden Hour. Okay. अभी दिख रहा है नहीं पता है, मैंने आपको बताया. ठीक है. Alright. Again, good points on the packaging. I like the packaging. इस प्राइस में भाई ये पैकेजिंग is really good. Okay. I don't know how this is going to go. Now I'm a little scared. So I'm using this formula, this particular formula for the first time as a highlighter. I was using highlighter powder initially, and I don't know, वीडियो में बहुत अच्छा लगता था, लेकिन एक्चुअल लाइफ में बहुत फ्लेकी लगता था और उतना अच्छा नहीं लगता था. मेरा स्किन टेक्सचर बहुत एनहांस हो जाता था. I've seen this as a review in other videos that once you start using cream blush or and highlighter, this is going to fix that problem. So here goes nothing again. I'm going to try it out for my nose first. Is it showing? Is it not showing? I don't know. Okay, we'll try out in some other place जहाँ इसलिए show करेगा. Oh, definitely showing. I think मेरा नाक पहले से ही इतना चमक रहा था ना कि वो पता नहीं चला कि मैंने लगाया कि नहीं लगाया. Alright. Do we see the difference here and here? Okay. Not bad. Not bad. So again, मैं पहली बार ही मेकअप यूज कर रही हूँ और मेरा जो भी रिव्यूज है वो बहुत जेन्युइन आ रहे हैं अभी ऑन द कैमरा, बिकॉज आई वॉज वेटिंग टू मेक दिस वीडियो एंड गिव दिस जेन्युइन रिव्यू. ऑफ कोर्स आई कैन नॉट यूज एनी अदर blending tool as well because we're sticking to Swiss Beauty. Okay, I think I like the glow. Oh my god, not bad, not bad at all. Forgot, we decided we're going to go with eyes as well. So बहुत खुराफाती मेकअप कर रही हूँ मैं. मुझे पता नहीं, वीडियो में ओके लग रहा है. जैसे ही मैं उठूंगी और मिरर पे देखूंगी शायद मेरी खुद की हंसी छूट जाए कि भाई असली में क्या किया है मैंने. Okay. डेफिनेटली शाइन तो ऐड हो रहा है. ओके, खुराफात ज्यादा होनी चाहिए. ऐसे कैसे मेकअप ठीक हो जाएगा मेरा. अभी इनर कॉर्नर ऑफ माई आईज ट्राई करेंगे ना. यू सी दिस इज क्वाइट बुलेट लाइक प्रोडक्ट एंड वो भी काफी अच्छा खासा सरफेस है. बट इधर ट्राई करेंगे. एंड गॉड फॉरबिड अगर मैं एकदम मिरर यूज कर लूं, ढंग से लगा लूं ना, फिर इसमें खुराफात क्या है. हमारे चैनल वाला खुराफात होना चाहिए ना. I have no idea what I'm doing at this point, guys. Please don't judge me. I swear. कुछ नहीं हो रहा. At this point, I think my entire face is glowing up. I've just put highlighter everywhere. So we're going to go ahead with the liner. Color Me Happy eyeliner by Swiss Beauty. Okay, and this looks like this. If you can see, please see. Okay, this is the liner and this is the same color liner FYI. Okay, again I think this was one of the free products या फिर मैंने ऑर्डर किया, मुझे कुछ याद नहीं है. ठीक है, थोड़ा बह जाते हैं भावनाओं में यार. लड़कियां मेकअप ऑर्डर करते हुए बह जाती हैं भावनाओं में. I do agree with that. ठीक है, so that's true. So yes, this is the liner. I have no idea ये मेरे स्किन टोन पे शो भी करेगा कि नहीं करेगा, because I'm not a very fair skin tone person. I'm a little British, so I don't know. Again, I think I'm going to do this in I think I'm going to do this with a mirror and not poke my eye right away. I'm just going to come back. Okay, this is how it looks. I genuinely have mixed feelings about this eyeliner at this point, but there's one thing that I can tell you for sure: this liner glides like butter. And FYI, this is not a paid promotion. I have paid for this stuff, and this is not some PR that I've received. So I don't get money saying anything good about the product, and this is just a genuine review. This is really impressive. I mean, if this stays on for a few hours without getting smudge, I would be impressed. The last kajal or liner, whatever you say, I was impressed with was Plum, and that's like a really good one, and I've stuck to that kajal for now. But this, if stays for a while, I will be impressed. And to be very honest, I don't hate it. I don't know how much I like it because that depends on the lip color that I'm going to use, which I have no choice for, and I'm going to use this. Again, this is Swiss Beauty More Than Glitter lipstick, and this is the packaging. I really am impressed by the packaging at this point. So yes, I'm going to use this. Also, I've ordered this online और मुझे shades का उतना ज़्यादा समझ नहीं आ रहा था online में, ठीक है. Usually I look for a good review video and shades इसमें check कर लेती हूँ, but इसका कुछ ज़्यादा review video भी नहीं मिला, shades भी ज़्यादा check नहीं किया मैंने, मुझे बहुत आलस आ रहा था. So one good thing about this lipstick that I'll show you, okay? Oh, did you see that? So it's really good. So Swiss Beauty, hats off. Nice packaging, playful packaging. यार मैं इसमें खुश हो गई है लेके. I like it. And even the packaging, it looks quite pretty and premium. It is. So it's really nice. यहाँ पे they have their branding done, and here there is some glitter particles that's giving a very ombre pink effect. Really nice. Okay. So the shade I have in this is एक minute. What shade do I have? Wait a minute. Where is the shade? Glitter Rose 04 Glitter Rose. I do know the shade, okay? So Glitter Rose 04 is the shade number. This is how it looks. I don't know whether you can see it on the camera or not, but it has actual glitter. We are not done yet. Last product. We even got a makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. Swiss Beauty Natural Makeup Fixer, long lasting with vitamin E and aloe vera as well. This is how the packaging looks like. Again, packaging is nice, but let's try it out. I am quite impressed with Faces Canada ka makeup fixer because that's something that's really budget friendly and works for my skin. So yes, this is how it looks. It is a free sample that I got with the order, and yeah, just going to try it मेरे हाथ पे first. It just has a very, oh my god, it has a horrible smell. It has an alcohol-like smell, but I know it's just too bad. Alright, so I shouldn't have used this. Tab tak I was very happy with all the Swiss Beauty products. I know that lipstick shade is something that's not made for my skin tone, but yes, I've bought it and I will somehow use it mixing two lipsticks. I'll just add a little bit of hint of coffee to it and I think I'll be good to go. So yes, I'll fix that and I'll show you my entire look, Abhi, how that looks. Alright, so that is the final makeup look, and this is how it is looking. Very dewy, very shiny, sort of natural dewy sort of look. And if you ask me what do I feel about the products on the whole, I think this is something that's very budget friendly. That is, they've really worked on their packaging, formulation. The formulation has gotten better because I've tried Swiss Beauty ka lipstick earlier, like 2-3 years back, and it was, I don't want to say it is not good. Okay. And if you still ask me the brands that I still use for my makeup and Swiss Beauty, I would still prefer those brands because I think that is still more premium than this brand. But if you're somebody who's looking for a budget friendly makeup brand and you want to try out something that's not too bad for your skin as well, I think this is a good brand. You can see the shine. Oh my god. That highlighter is amazing. Oh. I think I've used quite a bit of it also, but I'm seriously enjoying it. I've changed the shade a little bit. I've made it a little more brick red sort of shade because that's what my shade is. I've added hints of brown in it, and this is looking more of me now. I don't usually wear blood red lipstick shade because I think that doesn't look nice on me. So yes, this is more me. They have a wide range of products as well. So I think if you're somebody who's looking for a budget friendly makeup brand, this is something that could work for you. From foundation to the makeup fixer, everything, it was amazing and I just can't get over the glow. Okay. Alright, so to sum it up, I think pocket friendly with good quality products is what Swiss Beauty is offering. Second, if you're thinking to purchase from Swiss Beauty, this is a really good time. You're getting great discounts on the products, you're getting a lot of freebies, and a huge sale is going on in Swiss Beauty, so it's like a total win-win situation. So अगर अभी ऑर्डर प्लेस कर लोगे तो और ज्यादा अच्छे प्राइस में मिल जाएगा डिस्काउंट एंड फ्रीबीज के साथ. So yes, that was it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep watching my videos. I love you guys and thanks for watching.